Are you guys looking for a new credit card? Because today we're gonna show you how to apply for an ANZ Bank Credit Card online, and it's way easier than you might actually think. So first, head over to the ANZ New Zealand website. From here, simply go to the credit card section. Now you'll then be able to see all the options they offer, like the low rate, air points, and cashback visa. So each card really has different perks, so simply take a moment to pick the one that best fits your needs. So once you've selected your card, simply click Explore your options, and you'll then be able to see the Apply button. So clicking this starts the online application process. You need to provide some personal information like your name, address, contact details, and financial information like income and living expenses. You also need to review the card's interest rates, fees, and terms before submitting. So after submitting, ANZ will then assess your application. So if approved, they will then send you your card and welcome kit in a few business days. So once you get your card, simply activate it and you'll be ready to go. And that's it. So it's really as simple as that. I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we will see you on the next one.